Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Optus modem no internet light, red LOS and Wi-Fi not working. To fix an Optus modem with no internet light or red LOS and non-working Wi-Fi, you must immediately resolve the physical connection drop. A red LOS loss of signal light specifically means your modem or NBN box cannot detect the incoming fiber optic signal. Fix 1. Check for regional network outages. Open your MyOptus app on a mobile device using your cellular data plan. Alternatively, navigate to the Optus service status outage page to verify active local network faults. If an outage exists, you must wait for Optus technicians to fix the infrastructure. Fix 2. Inspect and reseat the internet cables. Find the delicate fiber patch cable, LAN cable connecting your wall outlet to your NBN connection box or Optus modem. Check the full length of the cable for any sharp kinks, twists, or physical cuts. Unplug the optical/LAN connector, usually featuring a blue or green plastic tip. Wipe the tip gently with a clean, lint-free cloth. Firmly push the connector back in until you hear or feel a distinct structural click. Fix 3. Perform a hard power cycle. Power cycling forces the hardware to clear corrupt data and attempt a clean synchronization with the exchange. Unplug the power adapter directly from the wall outlet for both your Optus modem and NBN box. Now keep all cords entirely disconnected for 64 seconds and plug the power cables back in securely. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the internal software to boot up and attempt to turn green. Fix 4. Re-enable or reset the Wi-Fi band. Locate the physical Wi-Fi button on the side or back of your Optus Ultra Wi-Fi Gen 2 modem. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds to turn the wireless network back on. If your devices still fail to connect, use a paper clip to press the reset button on the back of the modem for 15 seconds. This initiates a factory reset, reverting your Wi-Fi name and password back to the default credentials printed on the base sticker. Fix 5. Utilize the 4G backup system. Check the internet LED on the front panel. If it turns solid blue, your fixed line connection is still offline. But the modem has successfully switched over to 4G mobile network to keep you online temporarily. If the backup fails to trigger, remove the plastic dust cover on the modem and ensure the Optus SIM card is pushed tightly into its slot. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.